Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and this is Unique Curls episode number 8. All right, this is episode number 8. Now, in episode number 7, I showed you all what I put on my hair and how I styled it. If you haven't seen that, then go back and check that out.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Since episode number 7 turned out so well, I decided to do something different. So I got up this morning and I sprayed my hair with rosemary water. Okay, we did, a review on this and everything. I sprayed it all over my hair. Then I came back and oiled my hair with rosemary castor oil. All right, and I greased my whole head with that. After applying those two products to my hair, the rosemary water and then the castor oil with rosemary in it, I put TGIN mousse, hydrating honey whipped mousse on my hair all over. Then I said, okay, what if you just applied this? So on this side is this, just the S Curl Wave Gel Activator. All right. And remember, guys, I have 4 type hair. I have 3 types of combination in my hair, for A, for B, for C. I have 3 combinations in my hair. And I'm liking the way that this is turning out because this is giving me the slip that I really, really like. It is. And then, guys, at the top of my head, I decided to do extreme. So really, I am doing 2 tests on my hair with 2 different gels. And if I had to say which one I am liking the most, if I had to say it, it would be the extreme gel being combed through. It would. So I just got my 3-row demi comb, y'all. 3-row demi comb, and I got the extreme gel. This comb is going to allow my hair to space out the way I want it to space out. I don't want to use nothing too close together. I don't. Right now I'm just combing it completely through, styling it, and as I'm styling it, I done hooked up my diffuser here, y'all, so I don't have to hold it. See that? All right, so I am going to show you all how I am styling my hair. This diffuser must be on because all while I'm styling it, it is holding it in place the way I want it to stay. Without it, trust me, my hair will crawl back loose. So what we are doing is using this extreme gel. We're using this 3-row demi comb, and we're just combing it through our hair, placing our hair where we want it to be, and letting it dry in place. So what I'm about to do is continue to rake this extreme gel through my hair in the way that I want it to set. And then I'll come back and let y'all see how it's going to look. We're just using these 2 things here today. I like this. I got to turn this diffuser on, y'all, because I need my hair to dry the way I need it to dry. And probably over there on my other channel, Regina's Way, I'll show y'all how I got this diffuser set up hands-free. Hands-free. That's my other channel, y'all. Y'all gonna love it over there. Yeah. While I am getting my hair together, guys, y'all see that? Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share the video. All right, let's do it. All right, so now that you know the products that we are using on our hair, let me give you a few more tips so you will get the best results when trying to do your hair like this. Before even putting any products on my hair, you all, I comb my hair in the direction that I wanted my waves and curls to lay. That will help you out a lot. Also, try different combs. I tried a wide tooth comb, that didn't work. I tried an all-purpose comb, that didn't work. I like this 3-row demi comb. Now, the next tip that I want to give you all is this. I am applying the product to my hair as I am styling it. Not only is it giving me more control over this hairstyle, but it is allowing my diffuser to hold my hair in place as I move from section to section. And another reason why I'm using this diffuser to hold my hair in place while I'm styling it, because earlier today I tried using a wave cap on my hair, and when I took it off, I did not like the way that my hair was looking. So that's another reason why I'm using this diffuser, and this diffuser is working out perfectly. Perfectly. Now, depending on what your hair type is, because remember, I have 3 different types on my head. I have 4A, 4B, and 4C. Well, guys, if this video is helping you in any way, then don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Also, be looking out for episode number 9 of Unique Curls. We have a long way to go on this hair journey. We will decide in the next 3 months if we are going to apply a texturizer or we're going to leave our hair natural or what cut we are going to do. So be looking out for episode number 9. Now here, I'm about to show you how long my hair is past my ears. But because I'm styling my hair in sections, I was able to avoid cutting my hair today. You'll see what I mean. Here, I need my hair to, be cut. But we're just in the practicing stages now of seeing what products is going to do what to our hair, and then we're going to build from that. Because layering those 3 products on my hair made me get to this stage. So that's how I be doing it, y'all. I take away from what I like from whatever product or whatever hairstyle, then I build from there. Everything I don't like, I get rid of it.
3 hours later.
All right, I am back. And let me tell y'all, I am really, really liking this. Yes, I am. 95% of my hair is dry, but it's not like a hard dry because we have oil on our hair. For a matter of fact, let me show you all what I did to my hair and what I applied to my hair this morning so you will know. When I got up this morning, I put some rosemary water on my hair by As I Am. Sprayed that all over. Then I took some rosemary oil, black castor oil, rosemary oil, and I put that on my hair. I oiled my hair. Then we use some mousse. This is TGIN Hydrating Honey Whip Mousse. All right, we put that all over our hair. Then we decided which gel we were going to use. So then I put on some S Curl Activating Gel and tested it over here. I really liked it, but I wanted to see what this was going to do. I wanted to see what this extreme gel was going to do, and when I seen that, I liked it, so I used that all over the rest of my hair. Yes, I did. All right, guys, well, that is it. If this video has helped you in any way, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know, and I will answer you back. Y'all already know that. I am really liking the way that my hair has turned out. This is Unique Curls episode number 8. Be looking out for Unique Curls episode number 9, guys. And also, don't forget to go and visit my other channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do home decor, shopping, walk the weight off. Everything else that I love to do is over there on my other channel, Regina's Way. So go over there, show your girl some love, comment, like, subscribe, and share over there as well. And until next time, be looking out for episode number 9 of Unique Curls. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.